નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, CS એજ્યુકેશન ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે આ વિડીયોમાં ધોરણ 9 ઇંગ્લિશ લેસન 1 ચિત્તા સ્ટીયર્સના ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીનું સંપૂર્ણ કોમ્પ્યુટરાઇઝ સોલ્યુશન જોઈશું. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. હુ વોઝ એડી? Answer. Eddie was a Zulu hunter. Question 2. What did Eddie see? Answer. Eddie saw a herd of deer grazing in the lush green meadow. Question 3. What did Eddie think when he saw the deer? Answer. Eddie thought that he had to run a lot to catch one of those deer and wondered if there was an easy way to get deer. Second extract. Question 1. How did a female cheetah catch a deer? Answer. A female cheetah crawled silently closer to the grazing animal and then she leapt and caught a deer. Question 2. With whom did the cheetah enjoy the meal? Answer. The cheetah enjoyed her meal with her two cubs. Third extract. Question 1. Why did Eddie envy the cubs? Answer. Eddie envied the cubs because they got their food without any effort. Second question. What idea did Eddie get? To answer. Eddie got the idea to have a hunter like the mother cheetah to hunt his food. For extract. Question 1. Why did Eddie think of catching a cheetah cub? To answer. Eddie thought of catching cheetah cub so that he could train to hunt for him. Question 2. What did Eddie decide to do? To answer. Eddie decided to follow the cubs and steal one. Question 3. Why was the Eddie pleased with his idea? To answer. Eddie was pleased with his idea because he thought that he would have to only order the cub to hunt a deer for him and his life would be very comfortable. 5 extract. Question 1. Why was it not dangerous for Eddie to steal a cub? To answer. From his experience, Eddie knew that a cheetah never attacked a man and so it was not dangerous to steal a cub. Question 2. What happened when the mother cheetah left for the stream? To answer. When the mother cheetah left for the stream, Eddie picked up his net and spear and ran into bush to catch a cub. Third question. What did the mother cheetah do in the evening? To answer. In the evening, the mother cheetah hid his cub in a thick bush and left for a stream. 6. Question 1. How did Eddie catch the cheetah cub? To answer. Eddie threw the net over the cub, caught them, dragged them, and hid them under a big basket. Question 2. Why did Eddie catch both of the cubs? Answer. Eddie threw the net over the cub because he thought that it was better to have two slaves than one. Third question. How many cubs did Eddie see? To answer. Eddie saw two teeny cubs. Fourth question. Why could the cubs not run away? To answer. The cubs could not run away because they were too young. 7 extract. Question 1. What was the mother cheetah reaction when she found her cub missing? To answer. When the mother cheetah found her cub missing, she became angry and jumped wildly. Question 2. Answer. At least the mother cheetah was so sad that she began crying and cried for the whole night till the next evening. 8 extract. Question 1. Who was Sano? What were his qualities? The answer, Sano was wise of men, who loved animal and knew all about them. Question 2. What did Sano do? The answer, Sano took his strong cub and jumped out of his hut. Third question, what happened at night? The answer, at night the mother cheetah cried so loudly that she was heard by a wise man in the village. Question 4. What did Sano know when he found out the cubs? To answer. When Sano found out the cubs, he knew that it was Eddie's wicked idea. 9 extract. Question 1. Why did Sano get angry with Eddie? To answer. Sano got angry with Eddie because he was wicked and lazy and he had broken the rules of their tribe and brought dishonor to the whole tribe. Second question. According to Sano, what must a hunter do? To answer. According to Sano, a hunter must hunt with his overstrength and skill. Question 3. Who was angry with Eddie? To answer. Sano was angry with Eddie. 10 extract. Question 1. What did all the members of the tribe decide? To answer. All the members of the tribe decide to drive away Eddie from their village forever. Question 2. What did Sano do with the cubs? To answer. Sano took the cubs on his shoulder and returned them to their mother. Question 3. What was the result of the long whipping of the mother cheetah? To answer. As a result on the long whipping, the mother cheetah forever had stained her face. 11. Extract. Question 1. What is the height and weight of cheetah? To answer. The cheetah is 100 centimeter tall, weight 65 kilo. What is cub's weight? A cub's weighing 300 gram. What is a cheetah age of maturity? A cheetah's age of maturity is 2 years. How will you identify cheetah? To answer, a cheetah has isolated black spot on his body. 12. Extract. Question 1. What do you know about cheetah speed? To answer. The cheetah is the fastest animal on the earth and its top speed can be around 100 km per hour. Question 2. Why do cubs and young cheetahs sometimes die? To answer. The cheetah does not preserve its prey and hence sometimes the cubs and young cheetahs die. Third question. How far can the cheetah leap? To answer. A cheetah can take a leap as long as 95 meters. Question 4. How does the cheetah kill its prey? To answer. The cheetah creeps silently behind the prey and then leaps up to catch it. 5 question. Why is the cheetah called a solitary creature? To answer, the cheetah is called a solitary creature because it does not live in groups or bands. Question 6. When does the cheetah family separate? To answer, a cheetah family separate as soon as the cubs mature. 13. Extract. Question 1. What does cheetah eat? To answer, a cheetah eats medium-sized bugs, hare and large birds. Question 2. What do you know about the cubs? Answer. The cubs are very beautiful with long silver gray fur. Question 3. How does the mother call the cubs? To answer, the mother calls the cubs by giving a high-pitched whistle like a bird. For extract, question 1. Where do the cheetah usually live? Answer. Cheetah usually live in open forest. Question 2. Where are the cheetahs presently found? To answer, presently the cheetah are found mainly in Africa. Question 2. Use the set of words in your own sentence. First, suddenly and leapt. To answer, suddenly female cheetah leapt and caught a deer. Second, teeny sparkle. So the eyes of the teeny kitten sparkle in the dark. ત્રીજું, lucky train. Answer, Sindhu is lucky to have been trained by an XP like Gopichand. 4. Envy, comfortable. Everyone envied Varun because he lived a very comfortable life. 5. Experience and wise. As you grow old, you learn from your experience and become wise. Follow, hide, thick. The policeman followed the thief, but he hid behind the thick bus. 7. Habit, dishonor. His bad habit of stealing has brought dishonor to the family. 8. Maintain distance. While driving, you must maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. 9. Group. The principal asked the peon to drive away the group of shouting students. Thus, instead of going to the court, the king decided to go for hunting in the forest. Question 3. Write who said to whom the following sentence. The પહેલું answer, Eddie said to himself. Second answer, Eddie said to himself. ત્રીજાનો જવાબ, સેનો said to Eddie. ચોથામાં સેનો said to Eddie. પાંચમામાં સેનો said to Eddie. Question 4. Fill in the blanks choosing correct word from the brackets. તો પહેલી ખાલી જગ્યામાં ક્રાઉલિંગ, બીજામાં ક્લોઝર અને ત્રીજામાં લેફ્ટ. એવી જ રીતે આ બીજામાં ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ, ડ્રેગ્ડ અને હિટ. ત્રીજામાં રિટર્નેડ, એંગ્રી અને વાઇલ્ડ. ચોથામાં લેઝી, થીપ, ડિસઓનર. પાંચમામાં લાઇટર, ક્લસ્ટર્સ. છઠ્ઠામાં ક્રિપ્સ, લિપ્સ, પ્રિઝર્વ. Question 5. Write appropriate question to get the underlined word as answer. તો પહેલું, who bought sweet yesterday? બીજામાં આવશે C. When did Mitali go to school? ત્રીજામાં આવશે B. Where did father go at 9 a.m.? ચોથામાં A. What did Radha buy from the market? પાંચમામાં B. How many cows does Ramji have? Sixth question. Match the expression with the proper function they convey. Answer B. Expressing emotion, disgust. બીજું answer C. Expressing emotion, sadness. ત્રીજામાં A. Expressing emotion, joy. ચોથામાં D. Expressing emotion, good wishes. પાંચમામાં D. Expressing emotion, good wishes. Question 7. Complete the sentence with the function given in brackets. So you have test tomorrow, the best of luck. બીજું, when will the teacher come? ત્રીજું, Amit won a gold medal, congratulations. ચોથું, Mita could not come for the picnic, how sad. પાંચમું, why did father get angry with you? છઠ્ઠું, he has cheated us, how disgusting. સાતમું, we have completed the project on time, bravo, well done. 8. What time can I meet the principal? Change the text as shown. તો જવાબ જોઈશું. The children were going for picnic. Answer, the children were going for picnic. They were sitting in the bus. They were singing a song. All were happy. The teacher was looking out of the window. Second answer, a man reached home but he forgot his keys in the office. He stood at the door. He rang the doorbell. His wife opened door. ત્રીજામાં, Ramu was watering the plant. The children were playing in the garden. Disha's pet dog was playing with a ball. The cat was sleeping under a bench. 9th question. Complete the dialogue using expression given in the brackets. તો પહેલામાં કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન્સ. બીજામાં વોટ એ સેમ. ત્રીજામાં સી વેન્ટ હોમ એટ 9 o'clock. ચોથામાં નો ધેર વેર નોટ. પાંચમામાં આઈ વેન્ટ ટુ ધ લાઇબ્રેરી. છઠ્ઠામાં નો હી ડીડ નોટ. ક્વેશ્ચન 10. રાઇટ એ પેરેગ્રાફ 50 words. માય ફેવરિટ એનિમલ. આન્સર. My favorite animal is the dog. The dog is pet animal. It has two bright eyes. It has 2 ears, sharp teeth, and small tail. Dogs are of many kinds. Dogs are of different color. They are of different size. It eats tomatoes, biscuits, etc. Dogs is useful animal. It loves human. Dog follow humans' instruction and obstructs. Dog is also useful to catch thieves. Dog protects owner's house and property from the thieves and bad people. Therefore, I like dog. આભાર મિત્રો.